Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you something. I just came from somewhere and I saw some example in RxJs that looks weird and it will be confusing for beginners who are new to RxJS and observables. So this is about mergeMap. So in this video, I'll start by creating a service. So ng generate services. Let's call this products. Okay, and this products will have get list, and then this will return um, a list of product with an ID, and then name is product 1. So let's just copy and paste this. Right, then product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5. It's 5, 4, 3, 2. This one here is 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, and then we have a get by ID in here. Return. This is going to return there will be a parameter ID, and this is going to be a number, and then it will return the get list filled then pipe, and then map, then the result of that will be the list of products, and then we're going to return the list dot filter f is equals to id then 0. So that's it. This is going to return an observable, and this should also return, yeah, this will map to this one, and then this one is still an observable. Okay, then we're going to use that in our app component. This is products service, and then product service, and this product service that get list. And yeah, this is where the what I saw in the example. So what they did is get pipe, and then they're going to merge map, then the result here. This will be if you're going to pipe this map here, this result here is the result of this observable here. And then when you merge map and then you call again the get by ID, and then yeah, this is going to expect a parameter. So this is going to be a list, and then that list we're putting it into a, I don't know what it's going to do, because this is a list and this is expecting an ID. So it doesn't make sense. It should be get by ID first, get one, and then whatever, and then get the result. Maybe if this the result of this ID here will have like a child, like a children. And then if you So that will make sense, but this one doesn't make sense when this is going to return a list, but then you're going to use the list to retrieve an ID. So that will still happen maybe if you're going to like that results, and then map, like a map, then r.id, and then return it here like that. So that will still make sense if you're going to retrieve maybe if this is going to retrieve the details of the product. Yeah, so that will still make sense. Yeah, and we can do that. We can put that here, and then the expected result on this one, if we subscribe to it, result here will still be yeah, what's happening here? Subscribe. We can do it like this. The cooler way. Next, and then the result here. The result. Maybe it's okay not to put anything. Console.log. The result here will still be like this, because we get the list, it's going to retrieve this, and then whatever the result, we're going to map it, and then make it into a single observable. Each of this result here is going to retrieve that is going to be is we're going to pass the ID here in the get by ID, and then the get by ID here, we're calling this again the get list to, and then we're mapping the list filter the get by ID, and then this part of the code here will, if for example if this is 1, then this will return 1, and then hey, am I is this right? No. Oh yeah. Yes, yeah, it still be the same. Yeah, this will still return a list of observable, a list of observable. So nah, this should be a fork join already. No, sorry guys. So yeah, so this is going to be a fork join already. Sorry, should be a fork join already. So we're going to say fork join like that, and then yeah, return the fork join. Yeah, so that this is going to be considered as one observable, because if we map that, then that is not this is going to be a list of observable, and this pipe here, yeah, it's only going to expect one observable to be returned. Yeah, I'm just talking and saying it out loud, but yeah, let's check if my debugger brain is working. And why is it so hot here in my room? It's already 23, and yeah, why is it 24? It's so hot. Okay, it's successful. Let's launch our browser. What port did we launch? 3200 localhost 3200, and that will console log, yeah, the array here. Yeah, so yeah, so that's it. So get list, then merge map, then this should be a fork join and get the list of each one. So the example that I saw in one of the books that I'm reading when I was having a free time is just like this, like that, which doesn't make sense, because this get list here is going to return a list. It's not going to return a single ID like that. No, this is a list, so this is going to return a list. So yeah, maybe I didn't know the intent of the code, and maybe yeah, I didn't read the explanation, but just looking at it, it's like the author of the book is a piece of. All right, okay, bye, subscribe, bye.